commanders, fall in!
Parade! Attention! Parade! Dress to the front! Parade! Arms down! Parade! Quick! March! Parade! Eyes front! Parade! Dress to the side!
In Flanders fields the poppies blow, between the crosses, row on row, that mark our place, and in the sky, the larks still bravely singing, fly, scarce heard amid the guns below. We are the dead short days ago. We lived, felt dawn, saw sunset glow, loved and were loved, and now we lie in Flanders fields, and now we lie in Flanders fields. Take up our quarrel with the foe, to you from failing hands we throw. The torch be yours to hold it high, if ye break faith with us who die. We shall not sleep, through poppies grow in Flanders fields, We shall not sleep, through poppies grow in Flanders fields.
They shall grow not old, as we that are left grow old. Age shall not weary them, nor the years condemn. At the going down of the sun, and in the morning, we will remember them.
We will remember them.
Musician, fall in! Parade! Eyes down. Parade! Eyes front! 3 players fall out!
If I should die, think only this of me, that there's some corner of a foreign field, that this is forever England. There shall be in that rich earth a richer dust concealed, a dust whom England bore, shaped, made aware, gave once her flowers to love, her always to roam, gave once a bodies of England, breathing England air, washed by the rivers, blessed by sons of home. And think, this heart, all evil shed away, a pulse in the eternal mind no less. Give somewhere back the thoughts by England given, her sights and sounds, dreams happy as her day, and laughter, learnt of friends and gentleness, in hearts at peace under an English heaven.
So on behalf of the Uniformed Public Services, the college, the wider college community, we would like to give thanks on behalf of the following people.
To those that have fallen, we owe our lives, our communities and our freedom to them. We thank them for all they have accomplished and the foundations they have laid for our society today. They paid the ultimate sacrifice for our beginnings. To that, we are ultimately grateful.
To the veterans of many different wars, equally we are just as grateful. You are the ones who really educate us and share experiences with the community to ensure the same mistakes do not happen again. Your service, along with those who have fallen, is what makes this country Great Britain.
To the frontline staff continuing to help the country throughout difficult times, you are cogs to this country, operational mechanism. Your persistence in providing services up and down the country and your resilience in the fear of potential deadly virus are inspiring to all. That you are served and all that you want to be. Thank you.
To the parents and the wider community, thanks go to you for your continued support of the young people at East Sussex College Group. We the learners do not just learn at college, vital lessons are learnt from you also. It is a real privilege to be able to share such a prestigious event as this with you all.
And finally, to the Uniformed Public Services students, thanks go to you for putting on such an emotional and effective remembrance ceremony, displaying your poppies with pride in the parade. I know preparations for this event have taken a while, and both staff and students have taken time out of their education to create a heartfelt message on this important day. Thank you.
Parade! Fall out!
When you go home, tell them of us and say, for your tomorrow we gave our today.